Alright, in this problem we're going to look at a little right triangle trig for a two-dimensional statics problem. So we've been asked some things about the truss shown in the figure, and so what I've done first is kind of highlighted the triangle we're working with. So you can see that we have the bottom and we have the height, and they've asked us to find AB, the hypotenuse, and the angle at A. So what we're going to do first is we're going to use Pythagorean Theorem to find the length of the hypotenuse. So we have AB squared is equal to AD squared plus BD squared. So we can see that AD squared is 16 feet and BD squared is going to be 12 feet. So from here, we're going to carry out the arithmetic to solve this problem. So 16 squared is 256, and 12 squared is 144. And so when we add those up, we get AB squared is equal to 400 square feet. So now to find the length of the hypotenuse, or AB, we just need to take the square root. And the square root of 400 is 20 feet. So that would be the answer to the first part of our question. Now the next question is about the angles. And so since we have the opposite and the adjacent, we're going to use tangent theta. So when we do that, we say tangent of, and we're looking for angle A, is going to be the opposite over the adjacent. So if we look at our drawing, the opposite of angle A is going to be what? So kind of when we look across there, right, what's opposite A is the 12 feet. And remember that that's BD. And then the adjacent, remember, is going to be the one that's touching, that's not the hypotenuse. And so it's going to be 12 over 16, and we get that's 3/4. So remember, one of the rules is I can do anything to an equation as long as I do it to both sides. And now I'm going to take the inverse tangent or arctangent of 3/4. And so I get the angle A is going to be equal to 36.9 degrees. Be sure that you're using your calculator in degrees and not radians for this, okay? So I hope that you have found this all really helpful. And give me a shout if there's something else I can do. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.